How to change team name on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change team name on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Changing name on ESPN Fantasy Sports is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the app. Launch the ESPN Fantasy Sports app on your mobile device. Log into your account. Make sure you are logged into your ESPN account. Select your league. Navigate to the league for which you want to change the name. Access league setting. Tap on the info tab. It's located right here. Then tap on edit. Edit team name. Tap on the current team name to open the editing field. Enter your new desired team name. Save changes. Confirm the changes by tapping save or done. Your team name will be updated and the new name will be visible to all members of your league. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.